super hot. I'm gonna give it a minute. So the soup was really good. It was so hot. I really enjoyed it. I think I would rate it an 8 out of 10 for sure. We're so excited. Doughzone finally opened in Post Oak, and we couldn't wait to visit and show and share with you all of the amazing things they have. Can you turn it around so we can see the QR code? So we ordered the pork bao. I'm gonna try a little bit, see how this. It looks so good. Take two. That was really good. Nice and hot, so tasty. I think I'll give it like a 9 out of 10. Yeah, a 9, solid 9. I'm not sure why I'm giving 9, but it's 9. So here we have the soup dumplings. We actually ordered the chicken soup dumplings, and they have instructions on how you can eat it. So they did recommend to wait a minute because it's so hot. I can see actually smoke coming out of the plate, and we're gonna see how that tastes. It looks really good, so I'm excited to dig into it. I also got a bowl of wonton chicken soup, so I'm excited to try that out too. Let's give this a try while the soup dumplings are ready for me. The broth is so good. Like, it feels so hot, and it's like a rainy day, so it's perfect for that. Let me try one of these dumplings in the soup. It's super hot. I'm gonna give it a minute. So the soup was really good. It was so hot. I really enjoyed it. I think I would rate it an 8 out of 10 for sure. So I'm gonna try next my soup dumplings. I'm gonna do it as per instructions. Use your chopsticks. Oops. Okay. Then we put it on the bite a small hole in the dumpling and sip the soup carefully from the soup. Mm. So good. Actually, it says to dip in the ginger. I'm not a big ginger fan, but I'm gonna do it anyway. A 10 out of 10. This was good. So these are vegetable pot stickers. Because we came in their grand opening, they're actually giving these complimentary. So I'm really excited to try this. They brought some ginger on the side as well. So if you're a ginger lover, you can have that. I'm gonna maybe dip a little bit in the chili sauce. Mm. These are good. I think I would give this like a 7 out of 10. These are pan fried. They also have them in boiled option, but we decided to pan fry because they said it was more popular, and it's really good. A lot of good taste. I think it just needs a little bit of soy sauce, but otherwise it's like super tasty. Comped because so here we have the banana naan bread. This looks really good. It comes with some whipped cream, and this is actually also comped because this is a new location, so they offer this dessert. I'm just gonna try a little bit here with some whipped cream. That looks so good. It's really warm, crispy. It's not too sweet. It's just right, you know. You can feel the fresh banana. It's super good. You should definitely try this dessert if whenever you come visit Dozone. I would give this maybe like an 8 out of 10 or 9 out, 8.5, 8.5. Yes, it's so good. So we're here with the manager of Dozone. His name is Jen, and he's been gracious enough to give us a little bit of an interview so we can talk to you more about this amazing restaurant. So, how many locations do you have?
Oh, this is our second locations in Houston. We just opened this one this week. So, is the first one is located at Midtown. This is the second one located in Uptown.
Oh, okay. That's awesome. We really enjoyed the food and we're so grateful. Everybody was super friendly and the food honestly was on point.
Thank you so much.
So, when did you open this location again?
We opened it this week. So
This week?
today is the fifth day.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, we invite all of you to come here and enjoy this amazing restaurant. It was really incredible, and definitely anybody and everybody should try it if you're here in Houston. Thank you
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.